Do you have an iPhone 17, 17 Pro or Pro Max, and you want to connect a keyboard or a mouse to your iPhone without Bluetooth, using a wired connection or USB receiver? Or if you want to pair them wirelessly via Bluetooth, here's how you can connect and set up mouse and keyboard with your iPhone in less than a minute. Let's start with a wired keyboard or mouse, or the ones that use a USB Type-C or Type-A receiver. It's pretty straightforward. If it's a Type-C, then you can directly plug it into your iPhone. And in case it's a mouse, as you can see here, there's no mouse cursor visible. So to be able to get the cursor, what you need to do is open Settings, then go to Accessibility, Touch, and turn on Assistive Touch. Right after you do that, you'll get the mouse cursor and you'll be able to move around. Now in case you have a receiver that's USB Type-A, then in that case, you'll just need a USB Type-A to Type-C adapter. Just connect your receiver and then plug it into your iPhone. The same goes for wired USB. For keyboards, you won't need to turn on any other settings, and you can start typing right away. Now in case of Bluetooth connections, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, then grab your wireless keyboard or mouse, for example the Magic Keyboard. Just make sure that your device is turned on, or if it has a pairing button, then in pairing mode. Now just find it in the list of devices and connect to it. And that's how simple it is. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.